Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the YorFender Decal. This exclusive item is a popular choice for many players, but it can only be equipped on the Fender car body. The most consistent and intended way to obtain this unique decal is by participating in special in-game events. There is one main path to securing this stylish customization, and we will explore it in detail. Understanding this process is key to adding the YorFender Decal to your collection. The YorFender Decal is primarily distributed as an official Rocket League Championship Series, or RLCS, fan reward. To have a chance at receiving it, you must watch specific live RLCS broadcasts on Twitch. It is crucial to link your Rocket League gaming account to your Twitch account well in advance of these streams. This setup allows you to be eligible for random drops, which could include the YorFender Decal, directly into your game inventory. While RLCS fan rewards are the main source, the YorFender Decal does make infrequent appearances in the Rocket League item shop. This offers an alternative method for acquisition if you miss the live streams or prefer a direct purchase. You will need to check the item shop daily, as its inventory rotates every 24 hours. When it appears, you can purchase the decal directly using your in-game credits, typically costing around 500 to 800 credits. Remember, the YorFender Decal is a luxury decal exclusively for the Fender. It is available in many painted variations, offering a wide range of color options, though a gold version does not exist. To maximize your chances, always stay informed by following official Rocket League announcements regarding RLCS stream schedules and potential item shop rotations. Being prepared and vigilant is the best strategy for adding this sought-after decal to your collection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.